All right, so 6:15 on the dot. We're gonna get started here. This is the first official break on Shorty BMG box breaks. So I really appreciate everybody. This filled up quicker than I anticipated. So thanks for everybody for being patient with me and you know and and the great communication and everybody signing up. So hopefully this will be the first of many. The other Inception box that we just listed, it is already up and there's spots gone already. So definitely go scoop up some spots. So I hope that we get a big break or a big pull out of here. So it's the list of everybody that will be in the break here. So I just did emails since I don't have usernames. So it was scheduled for 8:24, but we went ahead and got it in earlier. So here's everybody. I'm somehow getting crooked on that. Okay. So hopefully you all see who you have. If you remember. If not, we'll see here. So anyway, so thank you to everybody. Like I said, this is great, to have everybody here since eBay shut down the operation. But let's go ahead and get started. So Topps Inception, and let's get it going. Checklist. Okay, so make sure the camera's good, and here we go. Oh boy. I think. Alright. I think there's something sweet in here, not gonna lie. Let's hope it's something sweet. I don't want to give it away, but. Alright. First card, Dwayne Bowe for the Chiefs. So that's just the base card, not numbered. Next card, Jay Cutler, base. Kind of cool. Next card, Peyton Manning. So I'm a huge Colts fan, so not sure who had the Colts this time. Looks like Bonnie did. Bonnie, you want to make a trade? I'm all about this. So there's Peyton Manning. And that's numbered 7/209. Next one, Arian Foster. And that's numbered, focus, 14/106. Oh wow. Okay. This is kind of cool. Now, but the only thing is we don't know what order they go in. So this is actually a pretty big hit. So we have Ryan Williams, Shane Vereen, and Mike LaShore. And it's a triple autograph rookie. Redemption. So what I'm going to have to do is we're going to have to see, what that card looks like. And then we can go ahead and it'll go, as stated in the rules on there under how box breaks work, it'll go to the team on the top or the team on the left. So, but that is pretty sweet. I'm not going to lie. So, next one. For the Raiders, Tawan Jones, and that's number 827 of 900. Yes, there it is. And lastly, for the Ravens, we got a Torrey Smith jumbo jersey relic, and that is 122 focus. 122 of 158. It's even hard for me to see. So, just to recap, Tawan Jones, auto, and then the triple rookie autograph, Ryan Williams, Shane Vereen, and Mike LaShore. So, I'm not sure, you know, we'll have to double check on that. I'll make sure to send everybody an email with the results too. And Aaron Foster, Peyton Manning, and Jay Cutler, and one more, sorry, Dwayne Bowe for the Chiefs. So, anyway, thank you guys so much for getting this break. You know, I look forward to seeing you guys here, and you know, if we get this box filled, I'm gonna keep breaking them as soon as they get filled. And thanks so much for joining on the website. You guys rock, and I'll see you all very, very soon.